CliQr CloudCenter offers a powerful way to extend your vCenter implementation so you can deploy full application stacks to any cloud with the same ease that you deploy to your data center. VMware Unified Hybrid Cloud offering is a great step forward for vCenter customers. But one cloud, any application doesn't fit reality of typical IT organizations. More likely, you'll have more than one cloud, and it will include an evolving mix of software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service that are purpose-fit based on changing needs of the business. And VMware will always be focused on infrastructure. Even with software-defined everything, VMware still doesn't have a good solution for automating application stack provisioning. CliQr CloudCenter helps get the most out of your vSphere environment. CloudCenter is a single cloud management platform, purpose-built to include both infrastructure and application stack in a single profile. Not only that, but it can deploy and manage any application stack in any cloud environment. By now, I'm sure that some of your customers are starting to ask for more than just a VM. In CloudCenter, it's as easy to spin up a full application stack as it is to spin up just a VM. In fact, with CloudCenter, to deploy either infrastructure or an application, all you have to do is click deploy and then fill in a little bit of basic information. This gives IT teams and/or developers access to deploy resources without needing vCenter logins. Based on how a deployment is tagged, IT is able to control by whom, which options, and where that deployment is available. All the while, IT is able to control costs and usage via plans and bundles, much like cell phone providers would. When it comes to your infrastructure and application automation tools, are they separate? With CliQr, one profile deploys full application stacks and the infrastructure. Let's take a look under the hood at CloudCenter's Topology Modeler tool. Regardless if you're wanting to model a three-tiered application or just a single VM, the drag and drop interface is quick and easy. Simply select from one of the over 40 out-of-the-box services that have also been whitelisted by your security team and drag it in. Here I've modeled just a piece of infrastructure with Red Hat Linux on it, and using the same screen I can create a three-tiered application. Is your organization considering going hybrid with vCloud Air? With CliQr you get one platform that's as easy to deploy an application stack to vCloud Air as it is to vCenter. You can see here that the selected and pre-selected tags determine which environments are appropriate to deploy to, and I can select either vCloud Air or vCenter and deploy it without any custom coding, scripting, or alterations. Maybe your organization is looking at adding a second cloud that isn't VMware related. With CliQr, it's as easy to deploy an application stack to any cloud as it is to vCenter. If your organization has Azure cloud credits they want to use, not a problem. If you're thinking about using Azure Pack or Azure China, CloudCenter does that. What about OpenStack for developers? That's out of the box too. AWS? Only all the time. Out of the box, CloudCenter deploys to more than 15 data center, private, and public clouds. We hear regularly about how customers want to automate DevOps or continuous delivery. With CliQr, you can start the software development lifecycle process in the cloud and later promote it to vCenter for production. Promoting a system to the next stage in the lifecycle is easy. This guarantees that developers get their resources as fast as possible, but also that more governance, control, and compliance is enforced as it moves throughout the lifecycle to production. When you get down to it, CliQr CloudCenter has incredible time to value, where SaaS customers are deploying their first applications in minutes. That, along with not being script-based, there's no lengthy services engagements. There's a lot of flexibility with multiple integrations and a mature API library of both user and admin functions. Integrations with ServiceNow, NSX, Puppet, Chef, Jenkins, and Infoblox are some of our most popular. CloudCenter is also an enterprise-class platform, securing your information at rest and in transit, also giving you visibility, control, and rules-based governance across clouds, users, and applications. Finally, CloudCenter allows you to control and display costs and usage based on application, cloud, groups, and users. We'll be at VMworld, so come over and talk to us at booth 801 about your application management and migration, automated DevOps, dynamic capacity augmentation, and hybrid cloud IT as a service use cases.
If you're interested in learning more about CliQr or requesting a demo, please visit us at cliqr.com.